Hey guys, this is Jessica, and today I'm going to be unboxing the April 2020 Mixed Media Inspired Kit from Art Journal Junction. So in the kit there is an insert that's going to talk about what's inside the box, and it also gives you an exclusive code to the store. And we really want to see what you're creating, so be sure to post all of your projects with this hashtag Mixed Media Inspired. Now the first thing you're going to see in the box is a bunch of pieces of book paper that we ripped out of books that were going to be burned, and we rescued them from the library in town. Next are 3 colors of the brand new Dina Wickley Media Gloss Spray in magenta, cheddar, and fuchsia. And these are acrylic sprays that are permanent when dry, so be sure to shake them up and have lots of fun experimenting with those. Then there's a bag of a bunch of different purple embellishments. There's a variety of button sizes, sequins, seed beads, and half pearls, so they're flat on one side. You can glue them on your page or any kind of artwork. Then there's a package of denim tags in 2 different sizes. And the last thing in the box is this cling stamp from Carabella, and it is a collage style stamp, so you can stamp it just as is or pick elements out of it like just the bird or the text. And we'd love to see what you're creating with this box, so be sure to share on social media using hashtag MixedMediaInspired. And if you'd like to join in on the fun and get one of these boxes for yourself, be sure to check out the description. I'll post all the information there. Have a wonderful day.